The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Hi there. You okay?
Oh, yeah, man, I am. Oh, shit.
What's your name, sir?
Oh,
Officer DeRozier, San Antonio Police Department, if you're curious.
okay.
You alright?
No,
What happened?
man, I am, like... Shoot.
Do you need an ambulance?
No, I'm not.
Is there anyone home that can come out and help you out?
No, I'm sorry.
Do you realize your Jeep's still running?
Oh, shit.
Your name Clayton?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you realize you were potentially involved in a motor vehicle accident tonight, Clayton?
No.
Can you sit up?
No.
Do you want help sitting up?
No.
Well, I can't exactly leave you like this.
Oh, shoot. Man.
So here's it. If you can't stand up on your own, I'm going to have to call an ambulance because I can't leave you with an inability to care for yourself.
No. I'm sorry.
How about this? Try sitting up. Let's start with that.
All right.
Hey, we're making progress.
Oh, shoot.
Do you have ID on you, Clayton?
No, I'm not.
And 4120-826 Iowa Street.
That's more of a yes or no question, not a hammer horn. Do you have ID on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a driver's license?
No.
But you were out driving?
No, I'm not.
No, not right now, but you were out earlier.
No.
Because I have a description that you match at a Bill Miller's. I have a receipt from right behind your vehicle with some groceries from earlier today.
Okay.
And when I said you left your vehicle running, you reacted in such a way that would lead me to believe that you were
Okay.
operating it earlier. So if you don't have a driver's license, why are you out driving?
Oh, shoot.
I'm going to ask another question. It appears that you might have been driving while intoxicated. So if you don't have a driver's license, that would be an even worse decision. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Can you stand up?
No.
Have you been drinking tonight?
Oh, no. I'm trying to get into my house.
Okay. So why is that so difficult?
Well, sorry.
It's an honest question. Do you know what time it is right now?
No, I don't even know what time it is.
Okay. Were you driving earlier?
No.
Who was?
Copy 2219-2219.
I'm not gonna lie, I ask a lot of questions that I already know the answer to.
Yeah.
So the more you lie to me, just the harder this is.
Yeah.
For you. Easier for me.
Right.
Harder for you.
Right.
So who was driving?
Not me.
Not you.
No.
Who was? And what kind of bum friend do you have that would leave you lying in your backyard?
Well, I'm back here and I'm sorry.
I'm surprised you haven't even asked about the people that you hit, if they're okay or not.
What?
Yeah. You were involved in a motor vehicle crash tonight. At least your vehicle was. So I'm going to call an ambulance out because at this point I can't just leave you here.
Okay.
So we'll go from there.
All right.
31,
Thank you.
31.
31, good.
Can you start me EMS to my location? Clayton, let's start with your last name.
Clayton Perry.
Clayton Perry.
Yes.
Answer no, I'm going to leave you to your own devices. Because you refused EMS, they said that you're competent to make decisions. So,
Yeah.
would you like me to search your vehicle for your house keys? Yes or no?
No, I'm
Okay,
good
have a
to
good
go.
answer. Do not drive anymore tonight.
Councilman Perry, are you going to resign? What do you plan to do with your office? Are you ashamed of your actions?
Right, as you can see, Councilman Clayton Perry just walked in. He was just walking into the satellite court. He